H Limited acquired 2000 equity shares of S Company Limited as on 1/4/2019, following on the balance sheet of two companies as on 31/3/2020. H Company acquired totally 2000 shares. For that, they are paying 3,75,000. That is investments in S Limited. For 2000 shares, they are investing 3,75,000. Date of acquisition on beginning only 1/4/2019. So beginning they acquired. On that date we have general reserve of 75,000, that is S Limited. We'll concentrate only on S Limited. So general reserve 75,000. Profit and loss account also pre-acquisition 22,500. Profit for the year, that is 1/4/19 to 31/3/2020, we have 30,000. So calculate non-controlling interest and goodwill or capital reserves. Now working note, we are concentrating on S Limited, that is subsidiary company. We have 3,75,000 capital. If I divide by 100 per share, we'll get 3,750 shares. 3,750 shares. On that they are purchasing 2,000 shares. Remaining should be 1,750. Ratio should be 8:7. 0 cancel. 25 sevens are 25 8s are, that becomes 8:7. So date of acquisition 1/4/19, 31/3/2020, that is financial year. On that date, general reserve of S Limited we have 75,000. Profit loss account of 22,500. So profit for the year from 1/4 to 31/3, 3 lakh. So first we'll calculate non-controlling interest. So share capital, they are acquiring non-controlling interest. Remaining should be 1,750 shares into 100, will get 1,75,000. So pre-acquisition, that is called capital profit. On that, this is general reserve 75,000. General reserve 75,000. Ratio controlling 8, non-controlling 7. So we are calculating non-controlling interest. So 75,000 into 7/5, 15, will get 35,000. Same before we have profit and loss account 22,500. 7/15 will get 10,500. Post acquisition, that is only 30,000. So 30,000 into 7/15 will get 14,000. So total of all this 2,34,500. So non-controlling interest total 2,34,500. So next, calculation of goodwill or capital reserve. Consideration transfer, they invested in S Limited 3,75,000. So we know we have to subtract face value of acquired shares. That means they acquired 2,000 shares of ₹100 each. So subtract 2 lakh, as well as capital profit. So capital profit means before only pre-acquisition. So we have general reserve 75,000, 8/15. 8/15 is controlling. Profit and loss account also same, 22,500, 8/15. So we'll calculate 40,000, 12,000. From 3,75,000, we will subtract all these things. We'll get 1,23,000. That is positive. So we are writing as goodwill. If it is negative, we'll write as capital reserve. One more method for this only. That is very, very easy by using table. So this is share capital of S Limited. We have 3,75,000. Ratio 8:7. So we'll get 2 lakh, 1,75,000. Pre-acquisition reserve, general reserve same, 8:7, 40,000, 35,000. Profit and loss account 8:7, 22,500, 12,000, 10,500. Post acquisition profit and loss, that is 30,000, 8:7, 16,000, 14,000. So total of all this is non-controlling interest. We will get 2,34,500, same as it is. Again, consideration transfers, calculation of goodwill or capital reserve. So consideration transferred. So we invested 3,75,000 shares in S Limited. We have to subtract this 2,40,000, 12,000. This all we have to subtract capital as well as This part is capital profit. So face value 2 lakh, capital profit is 40,000 as well as general reserve. So 40,000 minus 12,000 will get 1,23,000 same. So this is capital reserve or goodwill. So we are getting goodwill positive only, so it's called goodwill. If it is negative, that is capital reserve.